So I wanted to create a video on intermittent fasting and higher levels of fitness. I had someone ask me a question. They're a bodybuilder, they compete, and they're having a hard time doing this with their performance. And they wanted to know, should they increase more carbohydrates? Okay, so let's just talk about that. So the first thing you want to do is really get your body fat adapted, okay? It could take some time, especially if you're an athlete. So because with time, it becomes more and more efficient. The system becomes more efficient and you're less reliant on the stored sugar, glycogen, and you can actually just burn fat and your performance will go up. But with keto, you have the flexibility to go from 20 grams to 50 grams on the high end for carbs. So I would suggest definitely go to the higher end and start with 50 grams of carbohydrates. Now, if you're an athlete and you're like 20 years old or you're 18 years old, you could probably go to 60, maybe even 70, okay, without a problem, and still get into a pretty hardcore ketosis. But the type of carbohydrates are very important. You want to try to consume the carbs that are low on the glycemic index and also low on the glycemic load. I'm going to put a video down below on more information about that. So berries would be very good to consume versus apples, for example. The type of berry would be blackberry and raspberry. Green bananas is another option, not the yellow bananas, but the green bananas because they are low on the glycemic index. Potatoes are not a good idea unless they're raw, okay? But who's going to eat a raw potato? But raw potatoes have a very low glycemic index. Hummus, it's still a carb. It's lower on the glycemic index. So consuming 50 grams of these I think would be a great thing for someone that is doing a higher level of a performance, whether it's competing or maybe CrossFit workouts or long distance running. All right, thanks for watching. So we've been getting a lot of success stories, but I don't have your success story yet. So click the link down below and upload your before and after. I want to actually hear about your success story. I want to see your before and afters. And every week we do featured success stories. So click the link down below and share your success.